Typewriter push-ups. We're taking a regular push-up, we're adding some movement, which is going to increase our need to be stable. So with this, get you some space. Start in your push-up position, chest to deck, walking hand over hand, chest to deck, hand over hand, chest to deck. Now we can say, hey, that's the end of the typewriter. Let's work our way back. Hand over hand, chest to deck, hand over hand, chest to deck. And then we would just do the required amount of repetitions, continuing that side to side walking pattern, to the right, to the left, you get it. Just create some movement, keep stability.